What's good? What's good? What is good? Browsers. What's good, everyone? Welcome in, welcome in. What's good? What's good? Come on in.
10 indicators. I don't really use all the indicators. Like, one of them tells me the sessions. One of them gives me like an SMT if it's forming, just in case I miss any. The power 3 indicator, that's right there. Equal highs and lows, that's just good because if there's equal highs and lows, I want to know. I low-key don't even use the DMA or the DEMA 200, and then I don't use any of these. Fair value gap indicator is just nice, and then what even is this? Yeah, I don't need this either. But then trading notes, that's not even like a thing. So it's only 6 indicators, really. How was the weekend? Weekend was amazing, Mike. The new whip is treated me absolutely amazing, I can't lie. What's up, boys? What's up? Am I still in CLT? Nah. What's the plans with it? So many plans, bro. First things first, I gotta change all the fluids, get the fluids right. Then second, I don't know, I probably want to get like a blast pipe in the back, get like two big ass like chrome tips that are like a shotgun exhaust basically. And then from there, I'll eventually have to get a hard top for it if I want to like really drift it. And then get some, I don't know, I want to stance it a little bit, but at the same time, bro, in Cincy, if you're stancing cars, dude, your car is going to get fucked. So, I don't know, I'm gonna probably lower it just a little bit, and then get some new rims on it. Basically, be a drift daily car almost. Like, I'm not gonna be daily in it, but I still want to be able to drive it properly, but I do also want to be able to drift it, so. I think I just need to get an LSD and I'll be good, but. What firm do I trade? I trade Apex, take profit trader. And I plan on getting some accounts with Alpha Capital and My Fun Futures low key. You have an S14, that's tough. In your S14, do you have a welded diff? For how much hours do you trade? Low-key I only trade from like 9:30 to like 11. That's it. Yes, of course. Alright, how is it like dailying a welded diff? Like, how is it driving it? Because I've heard some mixed opinions. Drifting when rainy and parking can be a pain sometimes. Yeah, okay, I can imagine. I want to get an LSD. I think that's probably my best bet because you can still have some fun in it, but you can also, it won't fuck with you too hard. Although it's gonna be expensive, but get a couple payouts and it's not the end of the world. I traded MXQ on Friday, or else I would pass my eval. Hindsight is a bitch. Yeah, I mean, it's just how it is. Everything in trading is a would have, could have, should have situation, you know. So just gotta move forward. I mean, in the past like 3 days, I've made 55K paper trading meme coins. Could have, would have, should have made that money, right? But not all paper. I mean, it is definitely, but if you know what you're doing, it's not that hard. I mean, bro, I've been able to master the futures market. The futures market is one of the hardest markets in the entire world. So if you can manage your money in this, then you can manage your money anywhere else. It's about as simple as it gets. Oh yeah, meme coin trading's got an actual strategy to it, for sure. It's more intuition based, but it definitely works. Taking that. Yeah, I didn't like how this was running. I should have just called it at 250. Is what it is. Alright, I'm done for the day. Rip in the chat. Rip in the chat. It was a good close on the 5 minute though too. So that was kind of the bias on that. But I probably should have waited a little bit longer. It happens. Yeah, we also had that 1 minute we needed this to happen too. Yeah, hella news this week. So true. Yeah, rip in the chat right there. people wondering like why do I think it's gonna keep continuing, just the fact that we drew to this London low slash Asian low, was kind of like my bias essentially. With then how we were like really pushing down with true momentum, we got a 5-minute close below everything. Usually that's a good sign, but it's Monday, it's whatever. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I just take one trade and that's it. What do you mean? We have to hit a key point for it to sweep. If that makes sense. Yeah, watch out for the bot accounts. Why you have so much time, second trade is all you need. That's exactly why most people are unprofitable. They think they can just like make their money back if they take another trade, but that's how you lose more money, I promise you. I promise you, if you just take your one loss and just move on with the day, life will be a lot better for you. I can guarantee you that. And if you take your one win for the day and move on, as long as your wins are bigger than your losses, you are going to be a lot better off. I can promise you that. That was a full loss for me, unfortunately. I didn't really get a point of break even. I could have gone really quick break even, but it wouldn't have been smart. Well, that's how you, with how I risk. If I lose more than like 500 in a day with Apex, I won't get paid out. So that's kind of just like how I kind of trade. If you aren't getting paid out with Apex, it's because you're losing or making too much. So you either need to stop making. You need to, in my opinion, the only way you're going to get paid out is making. You can't make more than 750 and you can't lose more than 500 and you'll get paid out. What's the P&L? I lost 570 on that trade, which is actually kind of a lot. But I mean, if it's in the ballpark of 500 and in the ballpark of 750, like if you make like 800 or it's in the ballpark of 500, you'll be just fine. Yeah, that was all just manipulation right there. Let's see, we inverse this 1 minute. Yeah, so hypothetical trade will be here most likely. Not like that, but going up it'll be. Shit happens, boys. You'll become the best trader, I promise you, when you can just eat your losses. When you can start eating your losses, you'll become a really good trader. Alright, boys, well, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off there. I will see you guys, students, I'll see you guys at 2:30 for class today. And we're gonna be talking about how you can pass an eval in one trade this coming week on CPI and PPI. so you guys can possibly get some free evals going for you guys. And with that being said, I will see you guys today for going over liquidity. Deuces, everyone.